In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram login problem. So hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Telegram login problem in less than 1 second, 1 minute, I'm sorry. So all what you have to do is open the Play Store on your phone, or if you have iPhone, you can open the App Store and then go to the search bar and search for Telegram. Right here you will find this update option. If it's on here, you need to click on it. If you found it, that's mean you don't have the latest version. That's the first step. The second step, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to apps, wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. So let's wait. Now scroll down until you find Telegram, click on it and click on this force stop, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video.